In today's video, we will learn how to use a VPN on our Android phone to set our location accuracy to 100%. Hello guys, I hope you liked my previous videos. So, let's move to today's topic. In this topic, we will learn how we can use a VPN on our mobile and set our location to 100% with just one click. Some people use VPNs for listing on Facebook Marketplace. If our location is not 100% accurate, we may not be able to create listings on the marketplace. Similarly, when we create a new Gmail ID, TikTok account, or a new YouTube channel, having an accurate location is very important. Only then can we set up our account according to the location we want. Therefore, for all these tasks, it is essential that our location is accurate. First, open the Play Store on your mobile. After that, go to the search bar, type OVPN Spider, and search for it. Then, install this VPN on your mobile. Once it is installed, open the app. You will see an interface like this. To use this app, there is no need to log in, log out, or buy any credits. It is 100% free. You can see that there will be a list of different countries available. Now, select the country where you want to set your location. We will select United States. After that, allow notifications and then click on the Connect button. Your VPN will be successfully connected. Now open your Chrome browser and visit the website hooer.net. After opening the website, you can check whether your location has changed 100% or not. Here you will see your IP address and country. Now scroll down, and you will notice that the location accuracy is not 100% yet. It is around 90%. This means your location is not fully accurate yet. That's why many AI tools may misunderstand your location, and you may also face issues while creating listings on Facebook Marketplace. To make it 100% accurate, go to your mobile settings. In Settings, tap on Additional Settings, then click on Date and Time. Now, select Region from here and choose United States. After that, select your city, for example, Chicago. Now your time and date will be set according to United States, Chicago. Next, go back to the same website and refresh the page. You will see that your location accuracy has now reached 100%. If you scroll down and check, your system time, date, and IP address will all be showing the same location. This means your location has been completely set. With this method, you can set your location in just a few seconds, which can be very useful for different tasks. So, we'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye. For more informative videos like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.